And the paper towel bandito has struck again. Who could that be? All right, so this is what it's mostly going to look like. I still got a lot of cleanup work to do and shaping, and I gotta shape the finger guard now to the handle. So I am sanded up to, what is that, 320 I think? Yeah, on the knife. So now I gotta go, I'm gonna finish shaping the finger guard. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Finish shaping the finger guard, sand this up to 800, and then I'll be ready to heat treat this and temper it, and probably tomorrow get this glued together. So probably a couple more. I say a couple more. Whenever I say a couple more, it's another week. So I'm working on it. I'm working on it. But that is roughly what it's going to look like. Here, let's do this. Oh yeah. God, that's gonna be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Boy, oh boy. Okay. 454 Packer is the first one that has option to buy this if he wants, and I'll work my way down the list after that. So, oh, here's another thing. Last night I decided this. This is basically the BC Special chassis that I just used as a template to make this with a hidden tang. And I think I'm going to redo this. I'm going to make this knife about 3/4 of an inch longer. Yeah, about 3/4 of an inch longer. I hate using orange steel, but I think it would look better being a bigger knife, a longer knife. Same exact style. I'm just going to have the point come out about 3/4 of an inch further. Okay, so let me work a little more on this, and it's supposed to warm up to 46 degrees today, so I might get the motorcycles out and wash them off so I can get out there in the garage and start polishing and shining them, because I've got some parts coming for my bike, and can't wait to put them on, and I'm kind of excited about getting the bikes all shiny and purty again. So anyway, let me get to work on this. Alrighty, I haven't done much today. I have just been working on the guard, and I did get the dowel epoxied in here, and I'll work on the handle tomorrow. I just, for some reason, I'm not feeling into knife making. I've been sitting out here actually looking at chrome for my motorcycle and trying to decide what I'm going to buy next, and for my bike. And I think the next thing I buy is going to be for my wife's bike, and it will be the same kind of hooded chrome trim rings that go around all our lights, the headlight, the passing lamps, and front and back turn signals. It's going to really, it doesn't seem like much, but it sure does add a really cool look to the bike. Really, snazzy look. All right, I'm going to the house. I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably work on my YouTube channel a little bit, and I'll be back out here tomorrow. I think the cold weather, this is the first sunny day we've had in a while, and I really want to get my bikes out to wash them, but on the other hand, if I get water in stuff, it'll freeze, and so I don't know what I want to do. I want to clean my bikes up, but it's just way too cold out in the garage to do that. And I sort of don't feel like working in a nice shop right now, which is okay. I do this. I go in and out of wanting to work in a knife shop, and I go do other things when I don't. And it's too. I do have a a security light. Oh no, it's a dusk to dawn LED light that I want to put on the back of my house. But it's too cold to work outside. I don't even feel like getting. I hate cold. I may have mentioned that a few thousand times in the past. I hate cold. I don't like being in the cold. Don't want to work in the cold. Don't like being out in the cold. I don't like being in the house looking out the window at cold. I hate cold. And I'll take a muggy, sticky, sweaty 100-degree day any day over cold. Which is why I live here and not where I used to live when I was a kid. Okay, that's all for today. I will get back out here now that I've got a good start on the handle and the shape and got this guard all polished up. I'll have some more gumption tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Oh wait, do we need cat footage? There's dog footage. And cat footage. I'm going in, cat. I'll clean your toilet before I go. I'll see you in the morning. I hope I'm not committing a fashion faux pas. I don't think I'm supposed to wear a black and white cat after fall. Okay. And here is tomorrow's project. That is Bev's old... Oh, son of a... God, I swear, this cat and her claws. As Bev was backing out of her driveway, her gate blew closed as she was backing out, and it knocked her mirror off, broke the mirror. And I thought I could disconnect all this and then use this bucket, because since it's painted her color, but I got to looking and it's cracked. So I'm going to use, what came with it. It's a brand new Toyota mirror, and I went to AutoZone. I brought the broken one in, and look at here. This is Toyota Desert Sand Mica. And you can't get any closer than that right there. And this is Chrysler Champagne Pearl. Tell you what, this almost looks closer to Toyota color. I'll use a Toyota just because if I put the Chrysler paint on there, it'll probably quit running. See, I don't miss an opportunity. Okay, I've done nothing today. Lucy was very sick, and she's got something called Cushing's disease. We thought she did have pancreatitis a couple of times. She's had bouts of pancreatitis, which is really painful for a dog and very painful for the wallets of her owners. But it turns out this time they believe it's Cushing's disease, but they can't test for it until she's not sick. She's been throwing up and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, so that's tomorrow's project. Today is Tuesday. Pretty much a wasted day. I'm going to keep my heater on in here overnight, just about 55 or 60. So it'll keep all this stuff warm. So tomorrow I can paint this and put it on Bev's car. I'm speaking through a cat. Just in case I'm muffled, I'm speaking through a fur ball. And I sort of lost my steam on knife making for a minute. I don't know why. It happens that, I get the mood to make knives leaves me, and I just don't make knives for a few days. I think tomorrow it's supposed to warm up, and I really want to clean my bikes up. They're filthy. And I can't do it when it's this cold because water will get in something and freeze overnight and break it or ruin wiring. So it's supposed to be 60 tomorrow, and put the motorcycles out on the driveway in the sun, let them warm up, and then give them both a good bath. I am her big fluffy play toy. Anyway, I'm going to do Bev's mirror, put it on. I may do a video about that, just in case people don't know how to install or uninstall. I can't do the uninstall. Bev did that for me. So I can do the install video. See you tomorrow. You're almost as good as a dog. Almost. Okay, she's done with me. Would you like a cup of coffee?